This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Plug in the Google Home and watch for the pulsing white light. Open the Google Home app on your phone, grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the app finds the device. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password when prompted, because the speaker needs network access to work. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use. Once the device appears in the app, tap to begin setup and follow the on-screen voice tests. Continue by assigning the device to a room. This helps you control it later with simple commands like, "Hey Google, turn off the kitchen lights." Link streaming services, calendars, and any smart plugs or lights you use. The app prompts for account sign-ins so Google can access them. Set up voice match so the assistant recognizes you and customizes responses. Adjust privacy and microphone settings to balance convenience and security. Test playback. To finish, practice common commands. Ask for weather, set timers, or control smart devices with "Hey Google." Once done, customize routines in the app to automate morning or bedtime actions. If the device stops responding, restart it first. If problems persist, reboot your router and then the Google Home. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Make sure the app and device firmware stay updated. Because most connectivity and feature fixes arrive through updates, this prevents recurring issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.